Now is the standing meditation. All you're doing is breathing from your lower belly. Make sure your chest is relaxed, shoulders are relaxed as well. We actually heal some of the small ligaments and the small muscles and muscle fibers in the shoulders, as well as the different points of the chest as you extend and breathe out. The breathe out is what releases that stagnation. Coming up, we're going to turn the palms out and divide. Yes, divide the river. Inhalation, come up, looking at the palms. Let's do 3 more. Slowly breathing out. Circle around gently. Flowing circle, inhalation. Come down off the mountain. Going up to the mountain sides with our intention. Reaching the summit. Pause and release, coming down. 2, 3. 1 more. This time when we engage, it's going to be very soft and gentle, coming up the mountain side. Pause, inhale. Breathe out gently through the nose, shoulders are relaxed. Peel off the left foot, pick up the heel and step over just a little bit gently. And lift with the arms and come down. All right, here we go, let's try it again. Feet knees together. Very good. Sink down, the body's relaxed and straight, shoulders are down. Lifting the left heel, step over softly. Yes. And at the same time, lift. And come down gently. Very good. All right, everybody come back. Very soft, gentle press hands help those with post-stagnation just to connect. We're also working on softening the knees, like oiling the joints. And we're breathing as we go through this gentle posture. Very good. So everyone's practicing the press hands level 2. Very soft, very gentle in that circular motion. Good. Continue practicing softness. Very good. Excellent. Yes. Very gentle, soft. This is great for the emotions and softening the intention and connecting with others and softening tense muscles. There's Miss Nona helping to guide. Very good. And the circular motion, very good. Everyone's practicing. Very good. Nice. Very gentle touch with the elbow. And there's Sue over there taking notes. Hey Sue, how you doing there? All right, very good. Yes, awesome group. As we step over, the right hand winds around 4 cloud hands. 1. Left hand. 2. Elbow down, shoulder down. Right hand. 3. Left hand. 4. Right hand.
Give her a round of applause.
Shoulders down, shoulders down. Good. Watch the circle, small circle. Breathing gently. Slow, gentle express with the fingers. Gentle press, breathing out.